Hello everyone. Now, let's see how to display these three patterns using a Python program. First, let's look at the first pattern. It is in the shape of a right-angled triangle. Here, the numbers are arranged in a pattern of rows and columns. If we consider any single row in this pattern and observe it, all the data within that row is the same. Therefore, we can write this program using just a single looping statement. First, let's set up a for loop statement for the rows. We will control this for statement using the variable I. So, let's start the value of the I variable from 1. For this, the first argument in the range function must be 1. To increment the value of the I variable by 1 each time, the third argument needs to be 1. Since this loop needs to execute 5 times, the second argument should be 5 plus 1. This means the value of the I variable starts at 1, increments by 1, and ends when the value reaches 5. In every cycle, we will add a print statement to display the numbers. Let's look at what value needs to be displayed in this print statement. In the first cycle, the value of the I variable will be 1, so we need to display the value 1 across this entire row. Similarly, in the second cycle, the value of the I variable will be 2. So we need to display the value 2 across this row. In the third cycle, the value of the I variable will be 3, so we display the value 3 across the row. Likewise, when the I variable value is 4, the value is 4. When the I variable value is 5, the value is 5. To sum it up, whatever the value of the I variable is, that exact value needs to be displayed. So let's display the I variable's value in the print statement. Next, let's look at how many times it needs to be displayed. When the I variable value is 1, it's displayed 1 time. When it is 2, 2 times. When it is 3, 3 times. When it is 4, 4 times. When it is 5, 5 times. Overall, the value needs to be displayed as many times as the value of the I variable itself. For this, let's include the multiplication symbol, the star, and I in the print statement. This print statement will display the I variable's value I times and then move to the next line. With this, the coding for the first pattern is complete. Let's execute this code in the Python interpreter and see. Look, the number pattern is displayed exactly as we expected. Let's look at the second pattern in the next video.